Welcome to In 5 Minutes. So students, we will be starting with type 5, effect of division of t. Now, we had discussed in type 4, when t is multiplied to f of t, then we differentiate minus d by ds phi of s. So when t was multiplied, we differentiate. So it is obvious when t is divided, we need to integrate. So I say Laplace of f of t, we can say as phi of s. Therefore, when f of t is divided by t, that means we need to integrate from s to infinity phi of s ds. Just remember the limits s to infinity. Now I take an example. Let us say I need to find Laplace of e raised to minus at minus e raised to minus bt divided by t. Students, understand, the numerator is nothing but f of t, which I used to say as original function, and denominator is nothing but effect. Now we know that in every case of effects, we need to find first Laplace of f of t. Let's start with that. Laplace of e raised to minus at minus e raised to minus bt, which will be 1 upon s plus a minus 1 upon s plus b. Now when I apply effect of Laplace of e raised to minus at minus e raised to minus bt divided by t, I am going to integrate from s to infinity phi of s ds. So the whole function is phi of s. So let's substitute. I can say s to infinity 1 upon s plus a minus 1 upon s plus b ds. Students, we know that integration of f dash of x divided by f of x dx is nothing but log of denominator, that is f of x. In the same way, I'll be using 1 upon s plus a. So differentiation of s plus a is 1. So I can write directly log of s plus a minus log of s plus b, which has the limits s to infinity. Now, before substituting limits, let's see it is log a minus log b. So log a minus log b can be written as directly log s plus a divided by s plus b, that is a by b, where you need to put a limits s to infinity. Now, I'll teach you first. When you put limit infinity, it comes infinity. So how to solve this? Now, we need to solve log of s plus a divided by s plus b, where your limits are s to infinity. Now for substituting infinity, you can first take s common from numerator and s common from denominator, which gives me, if s is common, 1 plus a by s, and in the same way s is common, 1 plus b by s, which solves the problem of substituting infinity. We know that, students, if it is 1 upon infinity, that is nothing but 0. So now substitute the limits. So when I substitute, put infinity first. So a upon infinity, which gives me 0, and b upon infinity, which gives me 0. So finally I am left with only log 1 minus, put lower limit, which will be nothing but the same function, that is, in the place of s, you need to put s divided by 1 plus b by s. So finally log 1 is 0 minus, this can be written as the same, s multiplies here, s plus a divided by s plus b, that is the step before we had took common s. Now we know if it is minus log of a by b, we can directly write as log of b by a. So which gives me my final answer, that is log of s plus b divided by s plus a. So that's my final answer. So students, I suggest you to remember one formula which will be directly getting me answer, and this 2 steps we can reduce it. See what we got. We are supposed to put a limit infinity and s. Check the answer. It is nothing but exactly reciprocal of this. So I can say log of a by b if you have a function and your limits are s to infinity, which gives me log of b by a. So that's my formula which you need to remember for my next sums.